If you're currently facing problems with your Yahoo Mail account and you want to contact support, this is exactly how you're going to do it. So, this is just a very quick and easy tutorial that you're going to have to follow. So, make sure that you follow all of the steps that I'm going to teach you right here. Now, let's not wait further and let's get started. So, first step, you're going to head over to your browser. And then from there, you're just going to head over to the search bar right here at the top. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to search for help.yahoo.com. One thing to note is that Yahoo actually has a dedicated page for all of this problems or issues that their users are currently facing. So once you get into this account, you can find a variety of commonly asked questions or common issues that users are currently facing. So you can see here they have signing in with your Yahoo account, secure your Yahoo account, and all of the problems that they currently have here. So if, for example, you are facing an issue or problem with your account and you haven't tried going through all of these commonly asked questions or like commonly asked problems, then you're going to have to go through all of these first. And then from there, you're going to find this contact us button. So as you can see, it is very conveniently placed right here so that if you cannot find all of your problems right here and if you don't you don't have any answers for them yet, you can just click on contact us button right here. And then once you click on contact us, you can see here that a Yahoo specialist will be given to you or will be assigned to you. However, as you can see here, support from a Yahoo specialist is not currently available. So it says here to please search or help articles for assistance. Just like I told you earlier, you're going to have to go through all of the commonly asked problems and questions there to see if your problem currently have a fixed. Now, if you have a product subscription that includes technical support, check that you've entered or are assigned in with the Yahoo ID you subscribed with. Now, Comcast.net email accounts move to Yahoo Mail. To access support options, you can visit welcome.yahoo.com and request assistance using the chat box on that page. So we're going to have to go to the welcome.yahoo.com page. And then from here, instead of being taken specifically right into the contact us page, since it's not available, we're just going to look for this chat icon or the chat button right here at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then from there, you have your chat assistant. So what you're going to do is you're just going to type in your concern right here, and then you're going to wait for Yahoo chat assistant to answer your current problem or current question. And that's it. That is how you're going to contact Yahoo support. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.